Throughout its life, a tree provides food, shelter, and resting places for many animals. But one species of bird is particularly important to the forest because it supplies homes for many other species. This is the pileated woodpecker. Found in forests along the Pacific from BC to California and across much of North America, the pileated woodpecker is the third largest woodpecker in North America. The woodpecker eats mostly ants and beetles that it captures by hacking open trees with its beak and extracting them with a long tongue. The rectangular holes left by the bird's powerful pecking have been known to weaken a tree that then breaks in half. Pileated woodpeckers proclaim their territories to other woodpeckers by heavy audible drumming that travels great distances. Ducks, squirrels, bats, and 50 other forest-dwelling species use pileated woodpecker holes for nests and homes. A century ago, timber harvesting and hunting threatened the pileated woodpecker's existence. But today it is widespread and often seen thanks to legal protection and the return of forests.